Hello world, my name is Jeff Rojas. I'm a photographer, author, and educator based in New York City. In a couple of days, I'll be heading to beautiful Puerto Rico with a group of about 15 to 20 other photographers. And we're gonna be documenting those families still affected by Hurricane Maria in July of 2018. Now, for those of you that don't know, there are still people without electricity and without water. And what we wanna do is share those stories with you guys in the way that we know how. Effectively, each of us is going to come up with a different stylistic approach on how we capture those specific images and how we share those portraits. The great part about that is the company that is RGG, which is a photography education company, is effectively going to compile that and put that into both a documentary and in physical format, in some sort of print format. They've asked us all to volunteer our time to make that happen. So I figured what better way to continue sharing that story than to share what's currently in my bag. What am I bringing with me to capture these stories? So full candid disclosure, this video is not sponsored in any way. Everything that's in my bag is mine, I've paid for it. And I wanna share every single piece that I'm bringing with me and why I'm bringing it along the way. It will be a very minimalistic bag. It's probably gonna be one of the smaller kits that I'm gonna take to capture some of the images that I'll share with you guys at the end. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys did, please give it a like. At bare minimum, all I ask is those of you that are interested in helping in some way, I'll leave a link to a nonprofit organization of some sort in the description below that will help those affected by Hurricane Maria in Puerto Rico. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and a huge shout out to RGG for making this happen and inviting me to be part of this project. So thank you guys for watching. Enjoy the video.
So let's start off by talking about my camera bag. I purchased this 10 x Rody 2 bag on eBay about 2 years ago, and it's been my primary camera bag ever since. What I love most about this specific bag is that it holds pretty much all of my camera gear, including a laptop, and can comfortably fit in a luggage compartment on most planes. That way, my gear is always within an eye shot of me wherever I travel. The second thing that I love about this bag is that it has rolling wheels. Living in New York City, I'm surrounded by pavement, and there's no reason to keep weight on my back unless I absolutely have to. Although in the event I do, the Rody 2 Hybrid also doubles as a backpack. I will, however, say it's not the most comfortable solution in the world, so frankly, I've genuinely never used this feature. Okay, now for the front pocket. While Puerto Rico is part of the United States, I never travel without my passport. I think it's always important to keep 2 forms of identification with you wherever you travel. That way, if you lose one, you have a backup. Inside the laptop compartment is a 2013 MacBook Pro Retina. This has been my primary work computer for the last 5 years. It's traveled with me everywhere, from Japan to Dubai and all around the United States. I never leave home without it. Now call me sentimental, but it's what I started my business with. And while I do have newer computers available, I still find myself gravitating towards using this older model. It may be slow, but she's the best return on investment that I've ever made. Okay, now let's look inside my bag. My primary camera choice for this trip is going to be the Canon 5D Mark IV, and I'm bringing it along with me because it can be multi-purpose as both a stills and video camera in the event I choose to shoot either medium. So not only am I able to shoot 30 megapixel images, but I'm also able to shoot 4K video within the same body. I'm only bringing 2 lenses with me for this trip because this is primarily an environmental portrait project. Therefore, you're not going to find long lenses in my bag. The first lens is a Tamron 85mm f1.8, and the second is a Tamron 24-70 f2.8. The 85mm gives me the ability to take portrait images with a beautiful shallow depth of field, and the 24-70 gives me the ability to include the environment in my portraits. While I would love to have really long telephoto lenses for compression, I think that it's the lens I would use the least on this project. And truth be told, I don't feel like carrying a ton of extra unnecessary weight. The next item in my camera bag is a Tiffin variable neutral density filter. Since the 5D Mark IV does not have a built-in ND filter like most dedicated video cameras, this allows me to compensate for brightly lit scenes should I choose to shoot video. Since I'm going to an island in the Caribbean, this isn't an optional item, this is a must-have. As for lighting, I'm bringing along a Profoto A1, Profoto Air Remote for Canon, a Profoto A1 gel kit, and a 46-inch Photic soft light umbrella. Now, to be fair, the Photic soft lighter doesn't fit in my camera bag, nor does the light stand, so therefore those will be stored away in my check-in bag, along with the reflector I'll be bringing along. The source of my light, however, is the Profoto A1, and that fits directly in my camera bag, along with the charger, remote, and gel kit. Now, let's be honest. A lot of you know how expensive the Profoto A1 is, at almost $1,000 US. However, this is more than capable of shooting 350 full power flashes at 76 watt seconds, which is 3 times more than any other speed light. I will not be photographing professional models who are used to posing for images. They're average people just like you and me. While the A1 is much more expensive than its counterparts, it means that I won't miss a memorable moment because of slow recycling times or while I'm changing batteries. I've also elected to bring the Photic soft light umbrella, silver reflector, and Manfrotto light stand because they're simple to set up and can be handheld on the go. The idea here is to be both light and mobile. Now, the rest of my camera bag consists of gear that I rarely take out, which includes a card reader to download images, a Sekonic light meter for metering light, an X-Rite color checker passport for color accuracy, a G-Technology G drive to back up my files, a Tether Tools Tether Pro cable in the event I want to or need to tether, a 10-bus CF card wallet to hold all of my CF and SD cards, miscellaneous Allen wrenches from when I'm working with a camera rig, business cards so that I can quickly share my contact information. Aside from that, I've recently purchased a Black Rapid Breathe curved camera strap so that I'm able to sling my camera on my side and walk around without too much hassle. It's definitely a great improvement over the last model that they've offered and takes a lot of the weight from off of my neck onto my shoulder. And that's all of my camera gear in my bag. Now, realistically and truthfully, I'm not going to be carrying this entire kit with me everywhere that I visit. So if I go to the rainforest, this is definitely not coming along with me. So I'm going to also bring a Osprey daylight bag with me to carry the bare essential gear that I need to keep day to day with me. And that's it. For this particular kit, for this particular assignment, this is all of my gear. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please leave those in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and you have an incredible day.